This is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
I've been on my hair growth journey for the past 8 months now. It started in April 2025, and I promised a lot of people that I was going to be doing a length check once the new year came around, and this is what we are looking at right now. So at the beginning of my hair growth journey, I was hip length. Then I was in Ghana, used a few products that made my hair damaged towards the ends, so I had to cut off about 8 months to a year's worth of growth, and my hair moved from hip length back to waist length. It took me a while to grow my hair back down to my hip, and in this length check I was a bit disappointed because the results I was seeing, what I was seeing definitely did not meet my expectations. But I'm going to let you watch it till the end and you will see what I'm talking about. Now, in the video, I had washed my hair. I did a hot oil treatment the night before. Came out, washed my hair with my shampoos, conditioned it. The conditioner that I used was pretty terrible. This is the first time I'm using this conditioner, and it's from this brand called XHC, and it's their argan oil conditioner. I always thought that argan oil is a pretty conditioning oil, but again, the brand is very good when it comes to taking care of wigs, but for natural hair, I would not advise you get it. If you would get anything from the brand, I would say maybe the shampoos, because the shampoos are very good at removing buildup. I was done washing my hair, moisturized it with my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. This is something that I don't advise you get. It says that it is for natural. My review on this is not friendly. This is the worst leave-in conditioner I have used on my hair till date, and I am even talking about the ones from Ghana. The ones from Ghana were way better than this, but I didn't see the negative results of this leave-in conditioner so much because I was using the shea butter from Temu. So that in itself is very hydrating, helps to keep hair moisturized for very, very long. Me, I was thinking that it was the combination of both of them, but not really. It was just the shea butter. I used my hair growth oil from Temu to massage my scalp. Then I took down about 6 sections of my hair: the front left side, the front right side, left side, the back left, and the back right. Reason why I was doing this was because I want to measure each section without getting confused, without hair mixing up. And I also put my braids up. I pin my braids up so that it will not frustrate or irritate me during this measuring process. Now, I did a body measurement before my cousin came in with the tape. The first side was, I guess, towards way past my collarbone. Then when I stretched the sides of my hair, it was directly on my breasts. Then the back left and the back right side, almost hip length. Again, in the beginning of the video, I said that the results of this hair growth challenge were pretty disappointing because based on what I'm seeing here, my hair is just touching my hip. No growth, no nothing, no new growth. Like, I feel like I'm in a plateau at this moment. And if anybody knows what I can do to get past this plateau, I will be very appreciative. My hair, I have not seen any progress since last year. And yes, I had a huge setback once I decided to go on my hair growth journey, but these results are so disappointing. I also want to point out in this video, I have been collecting my shed hair for the past 4 years. It was officially 4 years in September 2025. And the reason why I was doing this was because I wanted to see how much shed hair that somebody can lose, because scientifically it's documented that human beings lose about 50 to 100 strands of hair on average if shedding is healthy. It could be more if there is a medical problem. I decided, I think in 2021, let me be collecting my shed hairs to see what exactly the shed hairs can look like after a couple of years. I wanted to do this, should I call it a reveal? It's not really a reveal. Analysis. Last year, I actually did the video, but I don't know. I don't know what happened. Anywho, this September rolled around again. Now I'm doing it, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I brought out the hair, and as you can see, and as I can see, this this huge ball of hair looks like it's more like I have lost more hair in the past 4 years than what I have on my head. I'm looking at it and I'm wondering, how do I still have hair on my head? So if you have anybody that is a professional trichologist, dermatologist, If you can screenshot this particular site, send it to them. Ask them, please, how is this possible? I've been on my natural hair journey for 6 years now, and how is it that the hair that I have shed in just 4 years looks way more than what I have on my head? Well, I would like to make another announcement. I would like to say that I am going on another hair growth challenge, and this time around I am going to be spiritual about this. I would like for when this hair growth challenge is over that my hair will finally be at my tailbone. I have been aiming for this for the past almost 2 years now, and as I said, the results are pretty disappointing, but this time around I'm going to be extra careful. I've always been careful and gentle with my natural hair, but this time around we are going to be extra careful. Next measurement I'm going to do is definitely going to be with a measuring t-shirt, and I want to see if I can get that on Temu.
That's it for this video. I hope it was entertaining. I hope it was inciting. I hope it was insightful. If you're interested in seeing more content from me, consider subscribing, like if you like it, if you share, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you and juice.